In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a recipient's email address in DocuSign, while also giving you some helpful insights on managing your DocuSign contacts. This process is quite straightforward, and once you become familiar with these steps, managing your contact information will become a breeze. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. DocuSign is renowned as the top choice for electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it essential for efficiently handling your document needs. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and go ahead and click it to proceed. You'll enter your login credentials, which typically include your email and password. If you ever forget your password, there are options to help you recover or reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the DocuSign homepage. This is your central hub for accessing the various tools and features DocuSign offers. From here, the next thing you want to do is find the Agreements section. Look for it within the main menu or dashboard options. This section houses all the documents you've been working with or managing through DocuSign. Now, upon arrival, you'll want to locate that specific document or agreement you wish to amend. Look for an icon that consists of 3 dots, usually found next to each document or agreement. Clicking this icon often reveals additional options for interaction with your documents. Among these additional options, you'll want to spot and click on the one labeled Correct. This feature allows you to make changes or updates to the current details associated with that particular document or agreement. In this scenario, it's where you'll have the ability to modify email addresses. Once you're in the correct section, look for the area where recipient details are listed. Here's where you can simply update the email address of the person or people you're sending the document to. After you've completed the changes, take a moment to double check that you've entered the correct information. Once everything looks good, go ahead and save your changes. This update ensures the document will be sent to the updated recipient address without any hitches. This simple process can save you from potential headaches and ensures your documents reach the correct recipients without delay. As you become more accustomed to navigating DocuSign, handling such updates will feel second nature. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to manage your contacts and agreements with ease using DocuSign. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.